Hi, this is Mr. Whitfield. I am creating this video to show you how to create a document using Google Classroom that can be created, typed in, and then submitted. So for this example, I'm going to use an assignment that I made up that I may share with the class, but this is in Google Classroom. And if you look, it's going to be in the same way. When I post assignments like this, it'll be in the same place that you would see your other assignments. So it's going to show up either in the stream. In this case, it also might show up as a link in a daily announcement, or as always, you can always find the assignments I post under your classwork tab. You're going to click on the assignment and then click view the assignment. And then it gives you instructions here, but also you're going to want to click over here to add or create. And what you're going to create in this case is going to be a Google Doc so that you can type. So while it's creating the Google Doc, this is a writing prompt where it involves the governor of Ohio proposing that he will potentially move school down to just 4 days a week and increase the weekend to 3 days a week. What I want is in 120 words, at least 120 words, you to describe what you would tell him to convince him this was a good idea, including such things as what you would do with an extra weekend day. So for all the writing prompts, please include your name so I know when I print it out who to give credit to it for, your class, in this case, business tech, as well as the date. And so you can just go with a simple date format. Today is the 27th of January 2020. Okay. When you're typing, click down a couple lines. You can go ahead and start typing. Just make sure it's neat. Take your time. Look for simple errors in terms of spelling. Of course, if you spell something wrong, like finance with an E, Google's going to catch that for you. You can right click and it will give you the spell correction. Use a spell check. Another thing with Google is that if you go to tools and word count, it will tell you exactly how many words you have, how many characters you have, and that allows you to keep track of the count. 120 words is really not that long. As much as some of you guys talk and as much as I talk, it seems like a lot, but when you think about how many words you use when you're talking, it is going to be about 10 sentences that you write. So I feel like you all would have, in the case of most of these writing prompts, I'll create or use ideas that are creative that will give you inspiration to write. And I think that in the example given here, the 3-day weekend, most of you guys would have strong feelings about having that be something that you would want to take advantage of. So once you're done typing, you go up to the top right-hand corner and you click Turn In. It's going to take you back to Google Classroom, and you will have at that point submitted the assignment. So once you've typed it up, hit Turn In, the assignment submitted, I'll be able to review it and grade it. And again, in a nutshell, that is how you go through an assignment that I create a Google Doc, type into that Google Doc, and then submit that Google Doc for grading. Thank you.